and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the blindfolded slime challenge, and you might be wondering why there are two bowls, because I have a friend joining me. Drum roll please. Indi!
Hi.
Yeah, she's gonna be in my video for the first time. And for this video, we're going to be just picking some random things and putting them in our what's this called?
Bowl.
Yeah.
But blindfolded,
Yeah.
so we have no idea what we're putting in.
Yep. Okay, so my mom's going to switch the ingredients, and then we will be starting.
I think this is how you do it.
Oh,
Didn't sound good.
I'm dropping everything.
I think this is like glue.
What? I can't even. Where is the glue? Oh, I think I found it. Okay. I'm going to go with the big. Oh, I think I already spilled some. Yep, I definitely spilled some. I can feel it.
Yeah, I think that's. I think I put it up right. I'm gonna fix this in case it slides down.
Yeah. Okay. So now
What's this?
I want
okay.
this shaving cream, but if I can't find it, then I'm going to go with the color.
I don't know what I just poured in.
There's black. I don't want black, the black color, so
That feels the same as what I just put in.
I don't want a black color. I really want blue or pink or purple.
I don't know what this is, and I don't know how to open it.
Ew. Oh, I think I'm dropping the purple everywhere.
I think I'm doing something.
I'm definitely
I don't
doing
know.
something wrong.
Yeah, like this.
Okay.
Feel like it.
You know, I think I want to do another color because I think that might be black.
I feel like something's coming out. Maybe not. I feel good about this slime.
Okay. Okay. Now I think I've added a really bad color. I mean, I've done
I feel
that's enough. Okay.
no. I think that's enough of whatever I just put in.
It's gone quiet all of a sudden.
I think that I just got something on my glove because my hand suddenly feels cold.
Yeah, I definitely. I don't want to add glitter. Okay, I'm just gonna put that.
Oh, this is the same. I think I've already put something like this in.
I think that's
I'm
shaving
not
cream.
gonna add anything like. I just touched something gross.
I think that might be, I don't know. Okay, I really want to add some silver, but I don't know if I am.
This is dye, I think. Feels like it.
Oh, I think I might have spilled something.
I don't think I am able to open this. This is annoying. I think there might be something over here that I haven't used.
Mine's gonna be so dark.
I think I've messed everything up.
I think I've messed everything. I've messed everything.
I think I'm doing. I don't think anything's coming out because I heard the last thing and it feels like something similar.
Oh, mine's gonna be so.
I feel like this is like glitter or maybe like dye. Wait, no, the dye doesn't feel like this.
This shaving.
Maybe it's like activator.
Bad. Okay.
Okay, that definitely didn't sound like activator. Oh, there's something in here. Oh. I wonder if there's anything else in here. Whatever this is. What's just happened? Something's cold on my face.
Something cold on my face too.
Did someone put shaving cream on me?
I don't know, I felt something cold on my face too.
Oh, I just remembered this stuff. Okay, this definitely doesn't feel like a good thing.
Why isn't this activating? I've added so much activator.
This feels empty. Oh, this is heavy.
It feels... Okay, I'm going to add some glue. Why is this?
This feels heavy. Oh, this is the big glue. Okay, this is going to be a challenge. I hope nothing bad happens. I think this is...
Where's that spoon of mine? Isn't it here? Oh, I think that might be yours.
I hear something, even though I'm not pouring in it anything in mine.
Oh my gosh. What? I don't even know what I
know that this is dye. Okay, I think I'm done. I feel like I've added too much, so I'm just gonna mix to be safe.
Oh, I think I've added way too much activator.
Okay, this feels weird. I think this feels really soft and easy to mix. I've probably added shaving cream and I've probably added too much.
I've probably added something a lot. I'm trying to add...
This is not going to end well, I just know it.
This is not going to end. Whoa, mine looks so good.
I think I might need to clean this because there's like dye dripping down and it's going to get on my clothes, and I think dye's already gotten on my clothes. Can I please have some?
Sure. Wait, I just need to finish mine. Okay. Yeah.
We've decided to go safe, seeing that it's kind of going out of hand.
Yeah. Oh, mine feels so bad.
Yeah, I think these aren't going to be slimes.
Definitely not. I think I've spilt the red everywhere.
There's a bit of gold down below. So this is how our slimes ended up as.
Mine turned out to be very good.
Mine turned out to be very big. And it's actually really nice. I thought that mine would be seeing that when I looked to stir it a bit more to be safe, I saw that there was a lot of blackness, so I'm like, oh my god, it's gonna look like poo. And it actually looks really pretty.
It does.
I deserve some.
And now we're gonna make bubbles, if you can.
I don't know how.
You just do it like...
How do you do that? Sunny
Yeah?
is now going to help me make a bubble.
Oh, well, that was a fail. Okay, so you spread it out, and then from here, you go like...
Okay, I need some help with
Because I
that.
am a slimerist. I don't know what's the word.
No, tour.
I think mine's a bit too sticky and hers is a bit too hard. Switch.
Whoa. Yours is cold.
It is.
Probably because we added a bit of boiling water into mine earlier. Whoa. Can I pop it?
Yep. See, I told you I'm a slimist. I'm going to make another bubble. Okay, you can just... Yeah, mine's...
Yeah, like mine tears apart easily.
Yeah, not that much though. Oh, by the way, tomorrow is book week, and I am dressing up as Hermione Granger.
And I'm dressing up as Draco Malfoy.
If you know the Harry Potter series,
You
then-
would know who they are.
And Draco Malfoy and Hermione Granger hate each other.
Which is going to be funny because
We're
we
gonna-
walk to school together. So it's going to be funny when people see us walking, like two enemies walking to school together, having a great time.
Having a great conversation. Hey, how about we make a bubble at the same time and we go like this?
Huh?
How about we make a bubble at the same time and then we go like this?
Okay.
And then, no, wait. Keep on switching sides. I'll tell you when to stop. Okay, I think that's good. And then you spread it out. And then 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Okay. She's technical difficulties, guys.
In my head. Now let's spread this out. She's already shown me how to do it when you weren't looking. Okay, you ready? Right, ready, set, go. Oh, I made a small one. Wait, let me try that again. I need to try again. No, it's breaking.
Then go like 3, 2, 1.
No!